you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah David here, and in today's quick video I'm going to be using this bad boy here. This is the Beauty Bay Age of Opulence palette. I've had this for a while now, but I'm just using it today. Look at these colors, you guys. Very beautiful. You guys already know how I feel about Beauty Bay eyeshadows. They're affordable and great quality. So without further ado, if you would like to see how I achieved this blue and tan look, then definitely keep on watching. Starting with primed lids, I'm going to take the navy blue shadow from the palette and apply that into my crease and build that up until I am satisfied with the intensity. And then I'm going to take my face powder and blend it under my brow bone and blend it down into the outskirts of that navy blue eyeshadow so that I have a seamless gradient blend. I then go into the lighter blue from the palette and go on top of the navy blue eyeshadow for, again, more of a blend. I really want it to be gradient from my brow bone to my crease. I'm going to add a little bit of black from the palette to add some depth and dimension, and then fade out the edges of the black with the same navy blue color and brush. I then cut my crease, and then I'm going to apply the tan color from the palette all over my lids. After I apply it on the majority of my lid, I'm going to go back in with the navy blue and the black on the outer edges of my lid, and then apply the navy blue and black to my lower lash line, and then do my liner and smoke it out. Here I'm just applying my lip liner and liquid lipstick, and this completes the look using the Beauty Bay Age of Opulence eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another quick tutorial. Bye, loves.